Hello dear students, welcome to IAS in-depth classes. Today we are going to discuss an important topic. When it comes to geography and economics, this subject or this topic is a very important topic. You might have heard about Green Revolution, right? So if you look at the screen, the heartland of Green Revolution is the northwestern part of India, with the states Punjab, Haryana, and Western Uttar Pradesh. So, how was Green Revolution possible in this belt? It's an important question, right? So, there is a connection. We can learn it with the help of maps. So, for this purpose, I have taken Google Earth. So, in the northwestern part, in school days, you might have heard about a dam named Bhakra Nangal, right? So I'm zooming into Bhakra Nangal Dam. So here is Bhakra Dam, right? This dam is located across the river Sutlej. So you can see the river Sutlej here. And because of Bhakra Dam, a reservoir was formed in the vicinity of Bhakra Dam, and this reservoir is known as Gobind Sagar, right? So Gobind Sagar and Bhakra Dam is located in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Okay, in the state of Himachal Pradesh. So Himachal Pradesh basically it's a mountainous state. A major part of Himalayas is located in Himachal Pradesh, and downstream, okay, downstream you will be able to see the dam named Nangal. So after Bhakra, it's Nangal, and because of Bhakra and Nangal, we are able to save enough water for irrigation purpose, right? So you can see the canal here. The water is getting diverted from the river Sutlej because of the dam, because of the reservoir. We are able to get enough water. We are able to divert the water to the irrigating fields in the northwestern part of our country, right? So what is Green Revolution? Green Revolution during the 1960s, if you look at the history, during the 1960s, because of the use of high yielding variety seeds and with adequate fertilizers, supply of or the use of fertilizers and pesticides, weedicides. So these fertilizers are chemical fertilizers, and with the assistance of insecticides or weedicides or pesticides and with adequate supply of water, we are able to realize increased productivity in crops, especially wheat cultivation. Okay, and for high yielding variety seeds, timely irrigation is a must. So this was only possible because of the reservoir, because of the dam, that is Bhakra and Nangal. So there is a connection between the geographical part, I mean the geographical terrain of this area, right? It's a mountainous terrain, so there was a possibility of building a dam, and we can stop the flow of water. Because of that, there was a formation of a reservoir, and this reservoir is helping in irrigation, and this irrigation facility is helping to realize increased crop productivity, and we have witnessed a green revolution in the 1960s. So this has resulted in food sufficiency, food self-sufficiency, and low imports. I mean, there was no need for imports. Before that, we had to rely on other countries for our food needs. So after green revolution, there was no requirement of imports. So this was only possible because of construction of dams, and because of the construction of canals, and also use of fertilizers, insecticides, pesticides, and most importantly high yielding variety seeds. I hope you understood the concept. You can apply this in the examination. You can write well if you connect different subjects, say for example geography with economics, and geography economics with history. Okay, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.